I always wanted to do this. So we're going to do it today. We're going to run an experiment. There's an 8-minute video that all of our clients have access to inside Clarity Mastermind. This video alone by itself helps our clients sell more of their offers easily and consistently by making one small upgrade to their offer. So what I want to do is give you the same video so you know exactly what the upgrade is. I want you to watch the video and make the upgrade at the same time. So by the end of the video, your offer is upgraded and it's going to sell itself so much easier. Watch the video. I'm excited about this. I think you're going to love it. Let's begin. Enjoy. When it comes to offers, you can pretty much categorize them in two. There are some soft offers and there are some hard offers. Let's kind of dig into it and see what that looks like. So soft offer, if I had to give it a description, is any offer that's very difficult to track, to measure. Offers that are mostly internal. A lot of times it's not external, they're very internal. They're very emotional offers. So let me just write maybe emotional in here. So it's hard to track, they're internal, they're emotional. These type of offers, people want them. But oftentimes, they're not willing to pay for them. They're like, hey, this is really good, I want it, but I'm not putting my credit card for it. Now, these offers are typically around motivation. Everybody wants motivation, but how many people do you know that pay for motivation? These things are around maybe confidence. I'm just going to give you a bunch of examples. Confidence, again, everybody wants to have confidence. Not that many people are willing to spend money for confidence alone by itself. Or just mindset. Everybody knows it's important. Everybody wants a better mindset. But not that many people are queuing up to upgrade their mindset. So they're very internal, they're emotional, and they're kind of soft. They're very difficult to track or measure. On the other hand, we got hard offers. Hard offers are typically very logical. Instead of emotional, they're very logical. And not only people want them, they're also willing to pay money to get them. Now, when it comes to hard offers, we can pretty much break it down into two different categories. Let's do it this way. There are hard offers that help people keep things or help people gain things. So on the left-hand side is all the way about keeping, and on the right-hand side is all about gaining. On the left-hand side, anything that helps them keep more of their money, save money, is a hard offer. Like, people are willing to spend money to save money. Another one is staying safe, like keeping safe, both in a kind of legal way, like people spend a lot of money to avoid going to jail or to stay legal. And also staying alive, like, if your life is in danger, you spend a lot of money on it. Or if you're starving to death, you're going to spend some money on food, like the typical necessities to stay alive. So to save money, to keep safe in terms of being legal or alive, those are the stuff that people want it, and they're willing to spend money on it. That's on the keep side. Now, on the gain side, everyone would spend money to make money. So many people do it that they turn it into a saying. You got to spend money to make money. Now, they also would spend money for a better life. Now, that's not clear. What's better life? Specifically, 3 categories they spend a lot of money on. The first one is better relationship. whether it's getting into the relationship or fixing the relationship, maintaining it. Second one is time, whether it's kind of making things faster or shorter or helping them having more time. And the third one is health, getting fit or getting rid of an illness. They spend a lot of money on that. So hard offers are in those four categories. You either are keeping them safe or helping them keep more of the money, or you're helping them get a better life or make more money. Now, if your offer is naturally a hard offer, for example, if you're a business coach, you're going to help them make more money and save money. That's a hard offer. If you're a fitness coach, you're going to help them get more fit. If you're a relationship coach, you're going to help them get into a relationship. If you're a lawyer or an accountant or something that is around legals, you're going to help them stay safe, right? These kind of coaches, you already have a hard offer. You're rock solid. You're good. But many times, what you have directly is a soft offer that could lead to a hard offer. So your job as a coach becomes connecting your soft offer to a hard outcome. So if you're a mindset coach, let's just say, you can't just say, hey, pay me $20,000, I'm going to upgrade your mindset. No one's willing to do that. But they are willing to pay $20,000 to upgrade their mindset so that they can either save or make more money. What you do becomes the vehicle that allows them to achieve the hard logical stuff. It doesn't become the destination. So I don't want to just upgrade your mindset and that's it. I want to upgrade your mindset so that I can make more money. I don't want to give you more confidence and that's it. Because nobody wants confidence. Not by itself. I want to give you confidence so that you can approach that woman and get into a relationship. I want to give you confidence so you can start that business and start making money. I want to give you confidence so that you can start going to gym, taking yourself seriously and getting fit. So I'm giving you confidence so you can have one of those hard offers in there as the outcome. Even though what you do is soft, the outcome is a hard offer. If you already have a hard offer, you don't have to do this. Or if you have a soft offer and it's becoming difficult to sell and people don't see the return on their investment, it's like, hey, I'm going to spend $20,000 on something. It doesn't make sense to spend $20,000 on motivation. Or if the motivation is for lazy people that know what to do, but they don't do what they're supposed to do, therefore they're losing a lot of money, now it makes sense to pay $20,000 for accountability so that I can crush it in my business. You're doing the same thing. You're giving motivation, accountability, but you're connecting it to one of the four areas they're willing to pay money for. And if you already chose who you want to work with, you've got to see, okay, what I do with these people, which one does it naturally lead to more of? Or which one do they care about more often? The only thing I don't like in here is time. Because even time is a tiny bit soft. Like, get more time, but then do what? Like, just sit at home and do nothing? So if I was like a productivity coach, I can't just say, I'm going to help you get more time. I would make it even harder. I would make it even better. I would say, hey, I'm going to help you get more time so that you can spend more time with your loved one, connects to the relationship. I'm going to help you get more time so that you can become fitter, so that you can work more and make more money. So I would connect it to more of the rock solid things that they're willing to pay for. This right here is the secret key to selling soft offers without having the feeling of, why would someone pay that much money for just motivation, mindset, burnout, or whatever else that you help them? connect it to something that they're willing to pay for. Hey, if this was useful, I want you to comment down below with your new upgraded offer. And if you enjoyed the training, then I think you're gonna absolutely love the video that I showed recently on the 3 core systems I had to install in my business to go from 3K per month all the way to 3K per day on a recurring basis. That's the $1 million mark. All of the steps and strategies we use to pull it off is in the training. So click somewhere on the screen to go watch that. If you don't see it there, just click the link in the description. It's going to take you to the video. Give it a watch. I think you're going to love it.